Hello. Today, we're going to discuss about Zipgrade. So what is Zipgrade? How are we going to create an account? And how are we going to use the Zipgrade application? So what is Zipgrade? Zipgrade is a mobile application that turns your iPhone, iPad, or any Android device into an optical scanner for grading paper multiple choice assessment. It is created by John Babbage. After that, go to your Google Chrome and then type Zipgrade. Then click the website to register. So we are now in the website and then click at the upper portion there is a new user button for you to be registered. To register, click the button on the right upper part of the website. Then new user. And then we're going to put our email. Next is our password. Please remember your password or you may write it in your notebook. After putting your password, tick the checkbox that you agree on the terms and conditions. Do not forget the checkbox of the CAPTCHA and then follow what has been instructed in the CAPTCHA. Select all the squares with crosswalk. If there are none, click skip crosswalk. Click that one, two. Then next, okay, traffic lights. There's none, so skip. Then register new user. Okay, so we are now registered. Zipgrade is worth $6.99. What you're going to do is you're going to add our student. So we have here at the top the navigation of the website. So this is the navigation, quizzes, class, student, tag, answer sheet, sharing, account, and more. Okay, we have here free subscription mode. Zipgrade will give you a free 100 scan per month as a free trial. So we're going to add first your student by clicking the new student button, then add your student and code it one by one, or you're going to import a CSV file. Okay, so for example, so how are we going to do that? So first, you're going to add the student without using the CSV. The website will give you the student ID. Then type there the first name, for example, is John Dewey. So we don't have yet class. Then say, then we have now in the list John Dewey. In this moment, we're going now to add a class. Kindly click add new class, then create a section of your class. For example, Emerald. Then type the name of the section in the field box. Save. Then we already have the Emerald section. Then go back to the student and click this pen icon. Then click Emerald. Then save student. So as we can see, we have now one student under Emerald. Okay. You can also edit this in the student filter here. So for example, the list. If there are no students assigned on a certain section. Okay, let's add another student. This time without section. Without section. Okay. So Jordan doesn't have a section. So what we're going to do is click this pen icon, then click Emerald, and then save. As we can see, Jordan is now added. We can also edit student roster, so we can check if the students are listed in that section. Okay, another example. Okay. Under the classes, we still have two students. So we're going to add JP here in Emerald. So click Edit Rooster, then click JP Domingo and save. So it's automatic. The name of JP goes to the class rooster under the section Emerald. Then save. So we have now three students. To add a class, just click Add New Class. Then put a section. For example, another section. Save class. So we have another section. We have now Emerald and Ruby. Then go to student. We're going to add another student. Add new student. Rafi. Tuldo. Notice that we have already two checkbox here, Emerald and Ruby. You can also use this in assigning what section the student belong. Okay, so we're going to click Ruby. For example, automatic, it will be added to the section Ruby. Okay, so we have one student. Now let's go to answer sheet. In the answer sheet section, this is where you're going to design your answer sheets. So we have here default 20 items, 20 items, maximum number of questions. Then we have 50 and 100. So let us have an example. For example, we have a quiz and we only have 15 items, or yeah, 15 items. At the bottom, custom answer sheet wizard. Click that. Then you're now on the custom answer sheet. So we are going to create one. So click new answer sheet. Then we're going to name this answer sheet according to what type of subject you have. For example, we have English. Can they include the items so that if you're going to choose that in your mobile phone, it will be easier. Okay, so 15, for example, 15, and kindly click next. Okay, we have there. What are the other things you want to display in your answer sheet? We have the name, quiz, and the class. So we're going to add here another one. Put their date, medium, then hit next. This is for the student ID, then the key version, and how they're going to shade their answer sheet. Just leave it there. It is also okay if we're going to uncheck that. Okay, so hit next, then click multiple choice. Then would you like it internal, meaning inside the circle the letter is there, that is internal. If it is external, there's a circle, then above on it is the letters. So let us first select the internal label. Then number of questions, how many questions we are going to have? 15. Then what are the letter choices? So A, B, C, D. So there are only 4. Then hit add question. As you can see, it will be generated with numbers and each corresponding letters. Okay, here. So this is the example of our answer sheet. And we have there the title, English, 15 items. Then after that, we hit publish. Okay. So we already have the answer sheets. We have also added the students and the two class, Emerald and Ruby. Okay, we are now ready for the application software.